In this video, we've compiled 20 profitable business machines that can turn small investments into big opportunities. From food processing and packaging to construction and smart automation, these innovative machines are designed to help you start a business, boost productivity, and tap into high-demand markets. Let's get started. 1. Fence net making machine. The chain link fence net making machine is a specialized industrial unit designed to produce wire mesh fencing in continuous rolls. It operates by feeding galvanized or PVC-coated steel wire from a payoff system into a mold, where the wire is shaped into interlocking diamond patterns. Once woven, the mesh is guided onto a winding shaft, and the process repeats until a full roll is completed. The primary raw material used is steel wire, which is durable and widely available, making it suitable for long-term outdoor applications. The finished product, chain link fencing, is commonly used for securing residential properties, industrial sites, agricultural land, and sports facilities. From a business standpoint, this machine supports scalable production, as fencing remains in consistent demand due to urban expansion, infrastructure projects, and security needs. Depending on size and features, such machines are typically priced around $10,000 to $12,000. 2. Multipurpose UV printer machine. This is a versatile digital printing unit designed to print directly on both rigid and flexible materials. It uses UV curable ink, which is instantly hardened by ultraviolet light, enabling precise, multicolor output with strong adhesion on diverse surfaces. The machine supports a wide range of substrates, including acrylic, wood, metal, glass, leather, rubber, and plastics, as well as consumer goods such as bottles, toys, pens, phone cases, and tiles. Equipped with advanced droplet technology, it delivers faster printing speeds and high-resolution accuracy, while optional AI-assisted visual positioning simplifies the setup process by reducing manual alignment. From a business perspective, its flexibility allows manufacturers, small workshops, and customization services to expand product offerings without the need for multiple machines. Its ability to adapt to varied production scales makes it valuable across industries such as signage, decor, and promotional goods. Machine prices start at $2,500 to $19,950. 3. Semi-automatic hydraulic block making machine. Concrete blocks remain one of the most widely used materials in construction, and this machine is designed to meet that demand with efficiency. It produces a variety of building blocks, including hollow blocks, solid bricks, pavers, interlocking units, and curbstones. The process begins with raw materials such as cement, sand, water, and small stones, which can also be blended with fly ash, cinder, or other industrial residues for added strength. Using hydraulic pressure, the mixture is compressed into uniform shapes that are suitable for housing, landscaping, and road projects. An optional color feeding system allows the production of decorative pavers and patterned surfaces, making the output versatile for both structural and aesthetic applications. Compact and reliable, this machine fits well in small to medium-scale production setups. 4. Thinsulate heat press machine. This machine is designed for processing thinsulate and similar fabrics used in automotive interiors and consumer goods. It operates with a double-sided heat press system that seals, cuts, and embosses material in a single cycle, ensuring uniform thickness and durability. The process begins with fabric being fed into the working area, where controlled heat and pressure shape and bond the material. Common applications include automotive insulators, car seat components, pillows, and straps for school bags or sports equipment. By combining embossing with sealing and cutting, the machine reduces the need for multiple steps, improving efficiency in production. 5. Smart window cleaning robot. This compact robot is designed to simplify the cleaning of smooth surfaces such as windows, mirrors, glass panels, and ceramic tiles. Using a brushless motor, it combines suction and spray functions to remove dust and stains, while intelligent navigation ensures full surface coverage. From a business perspective, this machine can open opportunities in window cleaning services or equipment rental businesses. Instead of relying on ladders and manual labor, entrepreneurs can use multiple robots to handle residential buildings, offices, and shops quickly and safely. With units priced at up to $100, it is a low-entry investment that can be scaled by adding more devices to expand service capacity. 6. Mobile stone crusher machine. Compact in design yet powerful in function, the mobile stone crusher machine is built to handle demanding crushing tasks in tight spaces. It uses a jaw crusher system that applies mechanical pressure to break down materials such as stones, rocks, concrete, and construction debris into smaller, usable sizes. Despite its size, the machine is capable of high-efficiency crushing, making it suitable for on-site work where larger equipment cannot be deployed. Its mobility allows it to be moved directly to demolition or construction areas, reducing the need for transporting raw materials to a separate facility. This makes it a practical choice for small contractors, recycling projects, and site preparation work. With the ability to operate in confined areas, including indoor demolition, it bridges performance and flexibility for diverse applications. Pricing for mini mobile crushers generally starts around $6,000. 7. 5-axis CNC milling machine. This CNC milling machine is designed for processing wood, foam, plastics, and light metals with high precision. Its 5-axis capability allows for complex 3D shaping, carving, and engraving, making it suitable for industries that require detailed surface work. With a Z-axis working height of 600 to 800 millimeters, it can handle large molds, sculptures, and foam models efficiently. Applications include woodworking for furniture, doors, and decorative panels, mold industries for propellers, automotive foam parts, and architectural models, and light metal processing for aluminum plates and surface milling. It is also used in the advertising sector for signboards, logos, and brand engravings, as well as in the crafts industry for souvenirs, frames, and gift packaging. Its strong structural frame ensures stability, while the independent electrical cabinet supports reliable operation in continuous production. 8. Espresso coffee machine. Coffee has become an everyday necessity in homes, offices, and commercial spaces, and an espresso machine automates the process from bean to cup. Whole coffee beans are ground within the machine, after which hot water is forced through the grounds under pressure to brew espresso or Americano. The system is programmable, allowing adjustments in strength and portion size, and it also provides hot water for tea or other beverages. Designed for high-capacity use, it can serve multiple cups efficiently, making it suitable for cafes, hotels, and workplace settings, while still compact enough for household kitchens. By standardizing each step, the machine ensures consistency in taste and quality across every serving. Pricing for such machines generally starts around $500. 9. WPC background wall panel machine. Wall panels made from PVC and wood plastic composites are widely used in modern interiors for decoration and acoustic improvement. This manufacturing machine is designed to produce background wall panels, grills, and decorative wave boards in concave or convex designs. At its core is a conical twin-screw extruder operating in opposite directions, which processes raw materials such as PVC blended with wood fiber. The extruder melts and mixes the material, which is then shaped through a mold into panels of the desired form. These panels are lightweight, durable, and resistant to moisture, making them suitable for homes, offices, hotels, and commercial interiors. The machine supports varied panel styles, allowing flexibility in design for different architectural needs. Depending on specifications and output capacity, pricing generally ranges from $6,000 to $36,000. 10. Jelly candy molding machine. Candy production requires precision, and this machine is designed to shape jelly products with consistency and efficiency. Using raw materials such as sugar, glucose, pectin, or gelatin, the mixture is heated, blended, and then deposited into molds to form candies of uniform size and shape. The molding process is carried out under controlled sanitary conditions, ensuring the final product meets food safety standards. Suitable for jelly and gummy candies, as well as certain types of soft sweets, the machine reduces manual labor while improving production speed. Its compact structure makes it practical for candy manufacturing plants with limited space, while still delivering large-scale output. 11. Artificial quartz stone slab making machine. Quartz stone slabs are widely used in interiors for countertops, vanities, and decorative surfaces, and this production line is designed to manufacture them at scale. The process begins with raw materials, including quartz, resin, and pigments, which are mixed and then formed using a vacuum vibration pressing machine. Once shaped, the slabs undergo thickness calibration and grinding through continuous automatic machines to achieve a uniform finish. Cutting machines prepare the slabs to required sizes, while stackers and plate turnover units handle movement and organization throughout the line. The result is durable, polished slabs suitable for hotels, kitchens, and bathrooms where both strength and aesthetic appeal are important. By automating key stages, pressing, grinding, and finishing, the machine line ensures consistent quality while supporting high-volume production. Pricing varies depending on configuration and capacity of the complete system. 12. Automatic can filling and sealing machine. This machine is designed for filling and sealing tin cans with a variety of low to medium viscosity liquids. It is suitable for products such as milk, juice, coffee, soy sauce, oils, disinfectants, and other liquid-based goods. The system combines multiple steps in one process: precise liquid filling, lid placement, and secure concealing, ensuring product safety and extended shelf life. Operating at speeds of about 30 to 60 cans per minute, it supports both small batch and continuous large-scale manufacturing. Built with durable components and high processing precision, the machine ensures consistent volume, strong sealing, and low failure rates. 13. Confetti making machine. Confetti is a staple at celebrations, events, and festivals, and this machine is designed to produce it efficiently from both paper and film materials. It uses a die-cutting system to create a variety of shapes, including circles, stars, hearts, squares, and rectangles, depending on the required design. The cut pieces are automatically collected into a bag, making the process clean and convenient. With its compact structure and steady operation, the machine runs at high speed while remaining easy to operate, ensuring consistent production. This makes it suitable for event supply businesses, party product manufacturers, and wholesale distributors who need large quantities of decorative confetti for steady demand across different occasions. 14. Gutter brush making machine. This machine is designed to manufacture long cylindrical brushes commonly used as gutter guards. The production starts with a central wire, often galvanized or stainless steel, into which synthetic bristles such as nylon or polypropylene are clamped and twisted. As the machine rotates, the bristles are fixed firmly in place, forming a dense cylindrical brush. Once the required length is reached, the brush can be cut and trimmed to ensure uniform diameter and bristle height. These brushes are widely applied in roofing systems to keep gutters free of leaves and debris, while also being used in agriculture and industrial cleaning applications. By automating bristle feeding, wire twisting, and cutting, the machine allows consistent, large-scale production of durable gutter protection brushes. 15. Coil nail making machine. Coil nails are widely used in the construction and furniture industries, especially where speed and efficiency matter. They are loaded into nail guns for framing, decking, roofing, fencing, wooden pallets, and even furniture assembly. This machine takes raw wire, cuts it to size, forms the nail head and tip, and then welds the nails together with thin wire to create a coil. The finished coils are neatly wound and ready for use in pneumatic nail guns. With its high-speed operation and automated welding system, the coil nail making machine ensures uniform quality and mass production, making it ideal for manufacturers supplying hardware stores, construction companies, and packaging industries where wooden crates and pallets are in constant demand. 16. Water bottling production line. This fully automatic bottling line is designed for pure and mineral water production, handling everything from bottle rinsing to filling and capping in one streamlined unit. It works with round PET bottles ranging from 200 milliliters to 2,000 milliliters, making it versatile for small and large-scale production. The system comes with built-in alarms to prevent issues like bottle jams, overloads, or missing bottles, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Widely used in drinking water plants, it meets strict food hygiene standards and offers customizable capacity options, making it ideal for businesses looking to produce non-carbonated beverages with high efficiency and minimal labor. 17. Portable chicken plucker. For small farms, backyard poultry keepers, and commercial butchers, this machine is a true labor saver. Traditionally, removing feathers after slaughtering was a long, messy, and tiring task that required hours of manual effort. This plucker changes the game by using powerful rotating rubber fingers that strip feathers, fine hairs, and skin dirt in one quick cycle. It is designed for chickens but can also be adapted for ducks, turkeys, and other poultry, making it versatile for different farming needs. The result is clean, market-ready birds in minutes, allowing farmers to process larger batches without additional manpower. Its compact size makes it portable, easy to clean, and ideal for both small-scale operations and larger poultry processing setups. 18. Small-scale potato chips making. Snack foods like potato chips, French fries, and banana chips are always in demand, making this machine a profitable investment for food entrepreneurs. Priced around $8,000, it comes with key units such as a potato peeling machine, slicer, and fryer, allowing you to set up a small or medium-scale production line with ease. Fresh potatoes or cassava are fed into the system, peeled, cut into uniform slices or strips, and then fried to crispy perfection. The semi-automatic design ensures high productivity while keeping operating costs low, making it suitable for food processing factories, restaurants, or startups looking to enter the snack business. With rising demand for ready-to-eat snacks in supermarkets, cafes, and fast food chains, this machine provides a solid foundation to launch your own brand of chips and expand into a growing market. 19. Tube ice making machine. Tube ice is one of the most popular forms of edible ice, known for being transparent, hygienic, and uniform in shape. The machine produces hollow cylindrical ice that not only looks attractive but also meets strict food-grade standards, making it safe for direct consumption. These ice tubes are widely used across multiple industries. In the food and beverage sector, they are perfect for chilling drinks, mixing cocktails, serving in coffee shops, hotels, and restaurants, or preserving fresh food in supermarkets. In industrial applications, tube ice is essential for aquatic product preservation, logistics cold chains, and even in construction projects where concrete requires cooling. With consistent output and high demand in both commercial and industrial sectors, this machine is a versatile investment. 20. Ice cream burger maker machine. Also called a UFO burger machine, this compact unit is designed to create innovative ice cream sandwiches that combine crispy outer layers with creamy fillings. The machine presses and seals ice cream between specially shaped buns, giving the product a neat, round UFO look that attracts attention in cafes, dessert shops, and restaurants. With an affordable investment of around $170, it is a perfect small business idea for entrepreneurs looking to offer something unique in the frozen dessert market. The machine is widely applicable across hotels, food factories, and beverage outlets, making it versatile for both commercial kitchens and startup ventures.